So switching to evacuate the oil out of the pan, you want to go ahead and close this valve, the air hose up here, open this valve. Down here you're going to want to close that valve to get the oil out, open this valve, come down here, open that valve, hook up your suction hose, push it in there, make sure the valve's open, hook your air up and it'll suck it out and up into here.
Also note there's a port down in here that all your oil is going to drain into, and so it's pulling from here out of that port at the bottom.
So to go ahead and get the oil out of this unit, you're going to go ahead and hook your air up to here, open the valve, make sure the suction valve is closed. Down here you want to go ahead and open the valve, make sure the other valves for the suction are closed for the lower one, and you can go ahead and air away and blow your oil out.
A nice feature is you got this sight glass here on the side.
Little tool tray up here as well. Then you also got your different tubes for suction. If you're trying to get fluid out of different reservoirs or whatever, you can go ahead and hook those right up to your suction tube to go ahead and get the oil out of any tanks.
And you got the ones that are flexible, and then you got these brass ones here, so if you got to bend it to hit a certain angle, you can kind of bend it and get it around things in the engine bay.
And they're multiple different sizes to get into different hoses and stuff if you're going to suck hoses out.